Welcome to Periscan, the smart way to manage business cards. Open the app and scan any business or visiting card. You can scan multiple cards in one session, one after another, without restarting. Periscan automatically extracts key details like name, phone number, email, and company. After scanning, view all extracted information in a clean list for easy review. Users can easily edit company name, username, mobile number, and other details if they are scanned incorrectly. Click on any scanned card to take quick actions like tap on email, opens email app, tap on phone, opens dial pad with number ready. Tap on website, opens in browser. Periscan makes networking simple. Capture, connect, convert in seconds.